Our Connected Community project, which is funded through the Enhancing Pembrokeshire grant, which is the second home council tax, is working to create a stronger and more resilient local community across our area. The project's been going for about a year and is looking to help work with existing local community groups that already do fantastic work across the area and try and bring that together to strengthen the assets that we have across our community.
My role in the community locally is as Secretary of GTI, which is Gwaith Trevine Improvement. It's a local organisation looking after the interests of the local community and individual people through setting up events, and we are working to connect with other local communities so that there is greater strength in numbers and we can engage with people outside our immediate environment.
What I've really enjoyed about the project is the fact we've been able to employ a community link officer, so somebody who's dedicated to helping us achieve our goals.
We have some great community groups that already exist in our area, and the plan is to support them and enhance the offerings we have in our rural communities. Rhan o'r rheswm o gymryd y rôl yw achos o'n i am ddangos I bobl bod yn bosib I perthyn I ardal petai chi'n siarad Cymraeg neu Saesneg. Part of our work in the connected community is to engage people in people-led action, which is why we've recently put out a survey to ask the community how they'd like to get involved in the project.
But the importance of connecting in with the Connected Community initiative is that no village is an island.
I think our Connected Community project is something that I'd love to see rolled out across other rural areas.